Characteristics of synthetic fibers. Okay, what are the characteristics is it? Before that we are discussed about the petrochemicals and disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Disadvantages of synthetic fiber and petrochemicals completed. Now characteristics. What is the characteristics of synthetic fibers? By the activity we have to understand easily about the characteristics of synthetic fiber. Okay, synthetic fibers possess unique characteristics must make them popular dress materials. Synthetic fibers possess a unique characteristics which make them popular dress materials. They dry up quickly, are durable, less expensive, rarely available and easy to maintain. What are the advantages of synthetic fibers? What are the characteristics of synthetic fibers? These are which make them popular dress materials. From the synthetic fibers we can make them popular dress materials, and they dry up quickly. It is easily dry up and are durable. It is very durable and less expensive. Cost is a very less compared to natural fibers. Okay, synthetic fibers cost is a very less and rarely available. It is available is very rarely available and easy to maintain. Maintenance also it is a very easy. This synthetic fibers maintenance also very easy compared to natural fibers. Okay, by the activity we have to understand easily. So what is that activity? In that activity we have to take the two cloth pieces of the same size. Two cloth pieces we have to take, and roughly half a meter square each. Roughly we have to take the 1 meter square each of the piece of cloth. Okay, one of these should be from natural fiber and the other could be a synthetic fiber. In the two cloth pieces, one of the cloth pieces should be a natural fiber. The other could be a synthetic fiber. One is a synthetic fiber and another one is a natural fiber. Okay, soak the pieces in different mugs. Soak the pieces in different mugs, each containing the same amount of water. We are taking the one synthetic fiber cloth and another one is a natural fiber cloth. These two cloth pieces we have to take in and soak the pieces in different mugs, each containing the same amount of water. That mugs containing the same amount of water. Take the pieces out of the containers after 5 minutes and spread them in the sun for a few minutes. Okay, we are soaked into that mugs containing same amount of water. Take the pieces out of the container after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take the pieces of the cloths container after 5 minutes and spread them in the sun for a few minutes. The cloth pieces we can spread into the sun for a few minutes. Compare the volume of the water remaining each container. Okay, after the removing the cloth from the mug, once you have to observe volume of the water remaining each container. In each container, once you have to observe the volume of the water. Okay, then do synthetic fibers soak less or more water? Can you identify? Do synthetic fabrics soak less or more water? And then the natural fiber fabrics, do they take less or more time to dry? Here we are taking the two cloth pieces. One is a synthetic fabric and another one is a natural fabrics. Which one is a soak less or more water? Can you identify? Synthetic fibers are soaked very less water. Synthetic fibers are soaked very less water compared to natural fabrics, natural fibers. Okay, do they take less or more time to dry? Which one is take the very less time to dry? Synthetic fabrics only take the less time to dry. Synthetic fibers only less time to take to the dry. Synthetic fabrics only soak the less water and it will be take the very less time to take the dry. Okay, these are the two advantages of synthetic fibers compared than natural fiber. Natural fabrics will take the more time to dry, and natural fiber fabrics soak more water. Okay, now find out from your parents about the durability, cost and maintenance of these fabrics compared to the natural fibers. Okay, once you have to compare with natural fiber and synthetic fibers are durability, cost and maintenance of these fabrics and compared to the natural fibers. You have to compare with their durability, cost and maintenance of the synthetic fabrics and natural fabrics. Then you can easily understand which is a better. Okay, so here synthetic fibers advantage is it is a durable, cheap cost, maintenance is very easy, and when we are soak the fabric, it will be soak the less water, and when we are dry, it will be take the very less time to the dry. Okay, this is about the synthetic fiber characteristics. Okay, by the activity we have to understand about the synthetic fibers. Okay, what is the activity? In that activity we are taking the two pieces of cloth pieces. One is a natural fiber, and another one is a synthetic fiber. Okay, soak the pieces in different mugs, each containing the same amount of water. Okay, take the pieces out in the container after 5 minutes and spread them in the sun for a few minutes. Compare the volume of the water remaining each container. Okay, do synthetic fibers soak less water than the natural fabrics, and synthetic fibers they take very less time to the dry, and natural fibers will be take the more time to dry, and natural fabrics will be absorb the more water. Okay, these are the advantages of the synthetic fibers. Okay, remaining we have to discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you all of you. Bye.